So Danny, I see lots of Thame Workholding products in the marketplace. Has it been a good year so far?
It's been a record year for us, Joe. Yeah, so it's been fantastic. Busy in all areas of workholding, so it's been fantastic.
Obviously, you've got the Lam Products and other, factored products, but you've still got your own product as well. How's that going?
Yeah, really good. And actually, we're developing a couple of new products. So maybe this time next year, you'll see a few new things on the stand. And a lot of more stuff in the pipeline. So
obviously, in the UK, you're a household name, but some of your products you're exporting around the world.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we export all over Europe, to North and South America, to out to Russia even, and Saudi Arabia. So, our export business is growing all the time, as well as our UK-based business.
And if we can't not talk about the Lam products, you're very well known for that now. And when it was brought to market, it tended to be larger companies adopting that form of technology. But now we're going up to start-up companies, 1, 2, 3 employees, and they're using it as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's obviously with the stamping technology, it's a tough sell initially, but I think now, it's got such a big name in the industry, and people really know that the stamping, it works. It's not just a gimmick, it really works, and you do need it. It's not something you can sort of get away without having, and we got hundreds and hundreds of customers now using the stamping machine, and it's growing all the time. But like you say, with the small companies and startups and things, when it's just growing massively.
Yeah. And what you don't have a typical customer, do you? I suppose, like we've just said, it's everything. But what do you reckon your market share is of the 5-axis vice market?
I wouldn't like to put a percentage on it, but I mean it's definitely the market leader for 5-axis. But what we're also seeing is a lot of people are moving the quick point plates across to their 3-axis. So even for doing sort of the second op or something like that, the fact that you can repeat your work within 5 microns onto a set datum on your machine table works unilaterally across all machines, not just 5-axis.
Yeah. And we've got a new product as well.
We do, yeah. We now represent Rotor Centres, which is a Swiss manufacturer of dead centres and revolving centres. So it's really good. I mean, it very much complements what we're doing. What we manufacture is all to do with working on a lathe. So we do everything between the spindle and the tailstock now. So it's a really good product for us to take on.
And if we talk about centres, obviously lots of them. What is the sell on a premium product to an entry-level product on a centre? Is a centre not a centre?
It is. I mean, these Swiss made ones, they are actually more designed for grinding applications, so they're very accurate, but the price is actually really good. So when you compare it to a lot of the competitive products, I think you'll find the price is quite reasonable.
So you're on for a record year, 2019. Is that going to be the same?
I hope so, yeah. I mean, it looks that way at the moment, certainly. So, onwards and upwards.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you.